What's going on, guys? It's the Forex Prince James here, back at it with another video. Today's video is going to be something super smooth, and it's going to be talking about binary options using the Pocket Options app. All right. If you haven't ever heard of Pocket Options, basically what it is it makes things a lot simpler for people who don't really want to be forex traders. You don't really want to wait for the markets and all that crazy stuff. This here basically is like this, right? It works like this: is price going up or down, and then you just bet on how long and when it'll stay like that. And I'll give you an example. I'm waiting for price to approach a setup now. Some indicators that I'm using is before we even get into that, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. Also, if you're looking for uh forex training, I'm the guy to go. Make sure you reach out to me. My email address is in the link, and everything is all in the description below. With that being said, like I said, quick disclaimer: nothing I show you here today is gonna make you $1,000,000. Everything is solely on you and your work ethic. All right. If you put 200% in, you're gonna get 200% out. So with that being said, let's go ahead right into it. All right, quick cute few tips before my setup happens. um I put the chart in Hell Kanashi candles. What this does is it shows you only up and down trends, and it helps ease your trading psychology. And the reason I mean that is because you'll see trades moving on this chart here, and you'll see them doing all types of stuff: red, green, red, green, red, green. You don't know what's going on, but you come to this chart and you see that it just makes everything more easier to see. It shows you exactly the uptrend and mover trend, and it moves. It shows you all of that. So that's why I switched to the Helkanashi. All right. So with that being said, the candles that I use, I'm using the stochastic oscillator and two moving averages. The two moving averages, or the SMAs, is a 3 and a 6, with 3 being green, 6 being red. And my stochastic is 31, 3 and 7, with the K line being green and the D line being red. So the way this move is, you only sell or buy. You buy low, sell high. If you don't know what that means, it's right where it is now. Price is approaching uh or being oversold. Red is sell, green is buy. Price is being oversold, and it's going to hit that line or possibly go under or something. And I'm waiting for that green line to come back over that stochastic, and also above, you see a green line above. I'm waiting for that green line to cross the red line as well, and that gives me a confirmation to enter my trade. And the way this works is, right, you have time until purchase. All right, so if you put a trade in now at this current time frame, it's going to close this trade out in 3 minutes. All right, I'm on the minute chart, so what that means is, in the next three candles, cannot say that my move or my position is happening in the right direction. Yes, I can. So, which is why I don't use the 30-second, because you could use the 30-second and be on the wrong chart and totally mess your whole move up, because you have the right setup, but you just it's the time that got you. All right, so you have to give yourself enough leg room with these strategies. So you can see that my strategy is now entering oversold territory, is starting to choke up. We're going to wait for the next two things to happen on this strategy, which is the green line for the stochastic to cross the red line, and for the green line on the SMA to cross the red SMA. And we need a candle close. All right, so that means at the bottom of the candle, it's either a not a wick, or a cross has to be clear away from them red lines. All right, so we just gonna zoom in here, and I want you to witness everything. Like I said, I'm running this off the 3 minutes, off the next three candles. Do I believe that price will be above my entry? I want to see if price is going to go below both of those two wicks before I place in a buy trade. And I'm going to be running up. I'm going to be putting $700 on the line to make 1,400. All right, I'm at 7,700%, $7,700. I'm up 4,700 as a total profit, meaning I started with a $3,000 demo account, and we see everything happened for a reason. So like I said, if you're interested in learning more about Pocket Option and more about some strategies that I could bring over from my forex trading to this, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite pair, and I'll see if my strategy works on your pair, and I'll shoot some strategies to your way. All right. Remember, every 10 person that like and subscribe to the channel will get my free Forex course for free. I don't have a pocket option course yet because it's pretty much the same thing as Forex. So like I said, I don't think it's going to be able to break above this point here. I'm just waiting for proper open and close or a proper cross, and above this line you don't want to wait. You don't want to place the trade as soon as it get into the zone, because it's a good possibility that trend can continue. All right, just because these green lines are really close to each other does not mean that it's going to cross right now. We need confirmation, so we're going to wait. All right, this strategy, you can see if we zoom out, we're actually in a recent resistance zone, which is now a support. All right, I believe price is going to go in an uptrend because it's testing a recent resistance as a support line. All right, and what do price always do after support lines? After they bounce off, and they skyrocket. All right, so if you don't believe me, we just gonna let the next 3 minutes play out. You can see that that's a recent support. That's a heavy support line. It came and it tested a few times. It came and tested and broke. Right now we don't know if it's going to break. We don't know if it's going to stay. We just have to wait. To jump in this trade too early will mess your pockets up, and that's something we don't want to do. We don't want to mess no pockets up here. All right, we want to be for sure that this trade is happening the way that it's supposed to happen, because we need this. We need all this, and in 2020 we need all this money. So I'm just waiting for a cross to happen. I hope to not talk your ears off too much. I might risk the whole account. Like I said, there's a demo account. If I do that, I'll be at 15K off one trade. So like I said, we're just waiting to see if this looks like a green candle here. And if this looks like a green candle here, we're going to put our entries in. I'm telling you. Nope, red candle. So we're going to wait. We're going to wait. All right, we're going to wait. We need a cross. If we don't get a cross, then we lost. Simple as that. And I don't want to place no trades nowhere yet. I know I may have taken a little minute in this video, about seven minutes, but that's basically the strategy, man. If you wanted to quick off, you could. If you wanted to see some live trading into this profits, you can. Like I said, we are at heavy resistance right now. You can see that them last few candles choked. They didn't want to go anywhere. And we're just probably going to wait this out and probably skip to the move. I'll pause it and I'll come back when the move starts to happen. Actually, if you look, it's starting to cross. It's starting to cross. It's getting closer and closer. Closer and closer. You see it starting to choke. You see it starting to choke. I think we should put our trades in. It choked. I think we should put our trades in. I'm not sure yet. I just want to see. Them candles are getting smaller and smaller. As they get smaller and smaller, you have to realize that that's the market building up selling pressure or buying pressure to shoot price in the other direction. All right, so the difference between pocket option and binary options and Forex and all that stock trading is that with this you don't have to worry about pips. You just have to get your trade right. If you think it's gonna buy, it better buy. If you think it's gonna sell, it better sell. All right, you can see that price is choking right now. I really want to risk this money now because it looked like a perfect opportunity, and we're going to get it. We got a green, so let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get it. Let's get it. We're gonna do the whole 7 in this case we lose. Now we just need for an accurate cross, and then I'll place more entries. This is how you stack and compound your account. You place more entries. Like I said, all we need is 3 minutes from the minute I place those entries. Price was oversold, all right, so it has to catch itself, and it has to get prepared for a buy. Price can go around. Oops, well, battery dying. Price could go around and mess up, and you'll see. You'll see. Price could turn around. It could stay under this bar. I feel like I should put some more trades just cause I know prices, it has to shoot up. So we're gonna do 3 minutes from these trades. All right, you see price is tankering right now. It didn't give a cross. It didn't give any type of signal. This is what I mean by jumping in a little too early. But that's a doji candle. Doji candles usually mean reversals. All right, so, or it might be a hammerhead bottom, but it's cool. We have 3 candles, 3 minutes. We have 3 candles to worry about. So it's over. So we picked an opportune time. All right, we just have to let this do what it do. If these 2 trades prop off, it should put me at a little under 9 grand here, and that'll be like 2K in profit there. Like I said, this is the minute chart. Just have to give it some time to play, flush out. Trades might close. One of them $100 trades might close, might lose them, might lose a trade or few, but we in profit now, 1400. It's the backwash of it. All right. So we just gonna watch this move play out and let it do what it do. I'm doing it live because I want you to see the trade. You see that the green crossed above the red down there, and you see that the green moving average is getting real close to the red moving average. That means it's a cross getting ready to happen. I've already placed some trades in deep profits. All right, and now it just has to continue. I'm not worried about it. All right, even if I lose that top, I still got the bottom under me to carry me in my trades. All right, and we just gonna wait this out, see what happens. If anything don't happen, it don't happen. You know, I'm in profit 4,700, so I'm not really playing with what I started with, right? But you can see we coming in profits. Look, losing money here, but it's cool. We losing. If we would have amped that time up a little bit more, we would have got we would have got those profits. So we lost them, but it's cool. Next candle, we gonna get all that back. All right. So we just jumped in there too early. This is the perfect spot right now to be jumping in, because you got a cross at the bottom, and the second confirmation will be when, as soon as that green line get like a good candle cross over both those lines, you good to go. Good to go. Right now, that entry down at the bottom is a sniper entry. Next candle will pop off, gonna be what it's supposed to be. I'm not even gonna lie. With those profits, I'm about to go ahead and stack more trades on top right now, just cause look, they're coming in profits. They're coming in profits. Like I said, I lost all that cash earlier, right, and made it right back. Now I know price has to pick itself up now. It's at the cross. We're gonna let price choke, and we're gonna let it do 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Look, we at break even now, right? With a better entry. With better entries on our trade. Like I said, you want the cross. You can't really see. I got all these trades on here, but the green moving average has crossed the red, and same thing for the stochastic. The green K line has crossed the red D line, and now we are in profit, maybe 2,500 here, and we are just gone right now. We're just gone. This strategy, you can see, if I go to history, it's deep profits. Yeah, I lost a little bit there, but look at the greens. Look how long the green streak is. Look how long the green streak is. Come on. Like I said, this strategy is hit or miss. I was just a little early there, but I re-bettered myself with better positions. Look, so that's all the red you've seen. Look, we hurting right now, but all we need to do is for price to take off. It don't matter. I will only be down 1,700 from the initial start of this video, but it is what it is, guys. Like I said, this strategy, you just have to know how much time you want to give yourself. All right, because if you don't give yourself enough time in these trades, you can blow it. This next candle close is going to determine if I'm in profits or if I lose all of this. So let's just see. Let's just wait it out and see. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Lost all of it. Feel like it's still going down. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Lost all of that. I feel like putting some more up because it's oversold. It's oversold. It's oversold. It gotta go back the other way. We not cool. We not cool. But yeah, just want you guys to see that. We're gonna wait it out. We're just waiting it out now. Like I said, it's oversold. Starting to snatch all profits. We over. Cool. I'm past my initial tap cap. So if I lose any of this right now, I could care less. But you know, like I said, you just want to wait this out and see what's going on because it's overbought. I'm still going to take that money. Look. Look. It's going. Boom. Close. Look at that. You just have to trust the process. Go. More green streak. More green streak. A little bit of reds. More green streak. We up 6,500 on this account. That's perfect. I'd actually take a withdrawal here and let it go from there. But we're gonna try to throw this account up, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing. We're gonna wait for a pullback, and we're gonna throw this whole thing up. We're gonna wait for a pullback. As soon as it pull back, like come closer down to the body of that candle, we're gonna go ahead and light that candle. Boom. We got one. Next 3 minutes, look, I'm gonna play with this. I'm gonna throw. Take it down. Take a grand. Next 3 minutes, what y'all got? What y'all think? I gotta cross over the green. Cross over the green. It's coming out of that overbought territory, and you just gotta sit. If it go any lower under my positions, I'm gonna put the rest of this. Boom. Look. Boom. Got 3 more hundred I could throw before I lose it all. It's cool. You see me make it. Boom. All them trades. And we just gonna wait it out and see what happens. We're just gonna wait it out. Gotta deal with this one. Just gonna wait it out. Just gonna wait it out. I'm already heavily in profits. You can tell. Next candle close all this. Next candle close all this. Like I said, the move is happening. We taking all buys. All buys. Showing you how this is done. We in profit. and it's gone. That candle just solidified the move. I know I keep rotating the camera, but look, surprise you. 9 grand already back, right? 9 grand back already, right? $9 grand, right? We already in profit. It don't matter. It's already over. It can reverse all it want now. Look at that. Look at that. We good. We good. I will leave this trade. Look at that. Can't nobody tell me nothing. I'm up 8,200. 8,200. What more do you see? Who else doing this a day? Look at the greens. Look at the greens. Like I said, the strategy is simple. It don't need to be hard for this. Look at the greens. Look at the greens. Come on now. This video is only what? 21 minutes? Who you know making $8,000 or whatever in 20 minutes? Who you know? Like I said, man, if you want to learn this, you're interested, hit me up. Let's get with it. Check the website out, www.beastlytrader.com, for tutorials and guides and courses and strategies. If you're interested in any private trainers or signals, make sure you hit me up in the comment section, and also let me know what pairs you guys are trading in here. I love to see what you guys are doing. Also, with that being said, if you're new to this channel and you got some gems, if this strategy help you, man, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you pass this video to a friends and family member, and let's help everybody get that bag, baby. Let's go.